Hello, dear follower of our video tutorial. You're welcome to this new edition that focuses on exportation of AutoCAD drawing to Archicad. As you can see on this AutoCAD drawing board, I have so many drawings there. I want to export a particular drawing that we'll use as our sample. Let's use this as our sample for exportation. Now to export this to Archicad, just highlight it. The moment you highlight it, go to your command line and type WLOG. Once that is done, click enter. And this dialog box just pops up. And when it pops up, make sure this your unit is on millimeter, and then make sure you have it on object. Ensure that it's like this. Take a close look at this box and make sure yours is like this. Then click at this one. The moment this one pops up, click on your desktop. Then move down and create a folder. Just right click and move down to your new. Create a new folder. Type the name of the new folder, maybe just new block. Then open this new block and type the name of this drawing you're exporting. You can call it export 1. That's the name of this drawing I'm exporting. Click save and then click OK. Beautiful. Minimize this drawing. Look at that new block. You can see that export 1 there. Now, beautiful. Look at what you do. Go to choose any of your Archicad, any of the version of the Archicad you're making use of. Like here, I have my Archicad 18, I have my Archicad 20, I have my Archicad 19, I have my Archicad 17. Okay, let me use the Archicad 18. Okay, just right click, just open your Archicad 18. It's gonna take a little while to open, so let's exercise questions while it does. Now, the moment it opens like this, you create a new folder. Because I have created a new folder. Assuming you have a drawing, you want to open this drawing, you want to export this drawing into you can pick any of the drawing here. But since it's a new project that you want to create, you want to create a video of that plan that you just exported, just click on your create new project and then click new. Let it open a new drawing board. Let me show you something. Beautiful. Alright, now that you have a new drawing board that has just opened, look at what you do. Move straight to your worksheet. You can see it. Look at this worksheet. Just left click on it and click on new independent worksheet. Click on it. Just type in just new floor plan. New floor plan. Now that done, just click create. Yeah, you have just opened a new floor plan. Now this is your new floor plan. Move straight to your file. This is your file. Move down to external content. When you move down to external content, go to place external drawing. Click on place external drawing. Then search in your desktop for that particular folder that you just created. That folder is called new block. Look at it here. Open new block and highlight this export 1. Once that's done, just click open. Yeah, you can see what pops up. The moment this pops up, make sure it's a 1 minute. Click on place. And then move it to this dot, this cross point. You can see this dot. This dot is your origin. That's the origin of your worksheet. And drop it right there. Can you see? It has just appeared. Now that it has just appeared, highlight it. Let me show you something. When you highlight it, it appears like a picture. It's like a picture. So it will be hard for you to edit anything here. For instance, you want to edit, and you want to edit. You want to edit this line. Wow. So just highlight it. Now that it has highlighted, left click and move down to explode into current view. You either find this particular icon here, or you move up here. You can see here if you have them on your drawing board. Now let me use this method, explode into current view, and make sure this place is checked on. Click OK. It has been exploded. You see, it has been exploded. Now that it has been exploded, just left click again and move down to delete. What you are deleting is the outer covering. The outer covering. Now you have the lines left alone. Can you see? But these lines are still grouped. You can now ungroup it by clicking here. So click here, they become ungrouped. Let's undo and leave it like this. Now that it's like this, just look at what you do. Left click and click on copy. That has been copied. Then move down to your ground, go to your ground floor plan. Double click in there. Then left click and paste that drawing you copied from your worksheet. Click on paste. Can you see? Can you see where it pasted it? Just click OK. That's pasted it on your drawing board. So you can now start working on it. You want to start putting your upload plans, you can start doing it. Now you can see your elevation positions are not properly positioned. Look at what you do. Highlight them. Highlight the 4 of them. Now move to the center and drag. Can you see the cursor from this center here? Drag it and position it like this. This is what I've just done. You now have the Your elevations are lines surrounding your drawing. And that's for it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.